Today we're going to make a rice casserole, or white rice as my kids call it. To make this we need 5 simple ingredients. We need rice, and we need 2 cups of water to cook the rice in, plus a little bit for the meatballs. Now we need meatballs, but we can use any sort of meat we want, sausage, whatever. We need a can of cream of mushroom soup, and a can of milk to cook with the cream of mushroom soup in the rice. To start off, we take a pot and add the rice to it, and this is what we're going to cook the rice in. Once the rice is in, we add our water. Once our water is added, we cover our pan, turn on the heat to high, and bring it to a boil. While this is cooking, we add our meatballs to another pan. We add a little bit of water to them and warm these up. As they're already cooked, all we have to do is get them warm. If you use a different kind of meat, pretty much any meat will work. I like using meatballs because it just adds the flavor of the meatballs to the rice. And they're really quick and easy to make. As we're doing the meatballs, our rice is coming to a boil. So now we need to lower our heat down and simmer it for about 15 or 20 minutes till all the water's gone. Now we take our meatballs and chop them all up, because it's better to have it spread little pieces all throughout the casserole than one big huge chunk every now and then. And now that our rice has pretty well absorbed all the water that there is, it doesn't matter if there's a little bit left because we're just adding more liquid to it. Now we're going to add our cream of mushroom soup to the rice. Once that's added, we add our milk and mix. Now that we're all mixed, we add our chopped up meatballs to it and mix those in as well. Once these are all mixed together, we simmer them for a little while to let them thicken up and warm up all of our soup and milk that we put in. Now that it's done, we add it to a serving dish, and then we're ready to serve. The best way to serve these is with some tortilla chips. Act just like a dip.